As it relates to church finance, I grew up in the church. I'm familiar with church finance. I'm familiar with all the ins and outs of what a ministry deals with as it relates to accounts, funding, and building funds, compensation planning for ministers, housing allowances for ministers. So when you're dealing with these issues, you should give us a call because we have the expertise not only from the book side, the knowledge from reading and studying and dealing with it from the financial end and nonprofit accounting, but we also understand the church itself, how it functions, how it runs. We train staff related to that information, and we can help you take your ministry financially to the next level. So when you think church finance, think Peter Griffin, CBS Tax. We're here for you.